Hi there, friends. I wanted to do a quick review for you today before you start your Hershey Park word problems. The word problems are going to be involving a little bit of measurement and a little bit of money. So let's do a little quick review of money first. I'm using a money app that's really cool and it might help you with your word problems today if you want to use it too. Go to mathlearningcenter.org and click on resources. I think the page will look like this. Yep. And then math apps, and then find the Money Pieces app. And then you can open in web or you can actually download it. Okay, so let's start with a quarter. Remember, a quarter is worth 25 cents. So what's really cool about this app is that it gives you little squares, almost like base 10 blocks to help you count. So there are 25 squares here to help you count the quarter. And remember, if you want to skip count by 25s, it goes like this: 25, 50, 75, 100, or $1. Let's talk about dimes. Woo. Dimes are worth 10. They are 10 cents. So this is almost like a base 10 block, a tens rod, is how I want you to think about it. But there are 10 squares here to help you count. And remember, when we're counting dimes, we count them by tens. So count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Let's move some of these around. 90, and 100 or $1. Now let's look at the nickel. I'm going to delete some of these. So if you click on it and press the trash can down below, you can delete it. The nickel is worth 5 cents. So it's kind of like a mini tens rod. It's half of a tens rod. And you count the nickels by fives. So let's practice counting by fives to 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, and 100 or $1. Woo, okay. Now, let's look at the penny. I'm going to take some of these out so we can make room for the penny. The penny is worth 1 cent. So there's just one ones cube right behind it. You count these by ones. We already know how to count by ones to 100, so we're not going to do that together. Another thing that I want you to remember before doing your word problems is a little bit about measurement. So in measurement, one important thing you're going to need to know for your word problems today is that 12, here we go, 12 inches, and remember we can represent inches by using IN, equals 1 foot. And we can represent foot by using FT. So 12 inches equals 1 foot. So if I say I have 32 inches of bubble gum, that might not always be bigger than someone who says they have 3 feet of bubble gum. Just because my number's bigger doesn't always mean that I have the longer piece of bubble gum. So I want you to remember that when you're solving your problems today, that 12 inches equals 1 foot. Try your best. I'm so proud of you and have a great weekend.